University of Science and Technology Meghalaya ni Luwajikmabai Chancellor Kaisa Private Hotelo Institutional Excellence Award 2026 no the Kaisa Career Opportunities Contest NEP-2020 workshop panda. Ashani Panda Manzaka Montri Bishoketu de Burma MBB University ni Vice Chancellor Tripura University ni Kusuk Rung Frungna Rokno Khoboi USDM ni Professor Rock.
Before, I don't know about this university, but some of our students from Tripura who were completed their graduation from this university, they invited me for this program. I am very glad to know that the USTM doing very well in our Northeast, and I have seen the video, the campus of USTM. Our Chancellor, Mr. Hawk, I give you words that I'll visit in your university once. When our Arunodaya Shah or Shamal Shah was giving lecture before you, that time I was thinking that how can I giving my lecture by standing before them. Students is okay, no problem. But they are our teacher now. When I was in college, that time our Arunodaya was the vice chancellor. And sitting of the dais maximum professor, assistant professor. In my life, I never interested in study. Really, I never interested in study. But fortunately, I completed my LLB in 2027. From that, I practiced in court. I don't want interested in civil cases, because in civil cases we have to read so many books which was I don't want. So my dear students, dream big and your success will be the big. You dream small, then your success also will be small. So be aware, do study well. Obviously you people are very much lucky, because at our time, at such time, whoever is sitting over here, sitting on the dais, that time what our Vice Chancellor Arunodaya says, we have not opportunity, only Tripura University is there. Now in Tripura, ICFA University, Bir Bikram University, so many universities came right now. Colleges also available. Holy Cross College, St. Paul's College. That time to only MBB College, Law College and Women's College, and some colleges in subdivisional level. Now the University of Science and Technology Meghalaya also came here, and so many opportunities they are giving, and you take that opportunity and success will become.